Okay, so this is my video assignment for layer 4, syllabication. So I'm going to syllabicate these 6 words. Okay, so for my first word, I'm going to underline my vowels, label my vowels, draw a bridge, and bring down my consonant. Okay, so I see a vowel, consonant, vowel pattern. So first I'm going to try dividing the word between the vowel and the consonant. So in my first syllable, I have an open syllable. And in my second syllable, I have the diphthong AW. So I would read that word see-saw. Seesaw. So yes, that one's correct. Okay, for this next word, let me look at this word. I already see a magic E. All right, so I'm going to underline my vowels. First 2 vowels that I see, label those, draw my bridge, bring down my consonants. So I have 2 consonants. So here I see a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel pattern. So I will divide that word between the 2 consonants. Okay, let's see, underline my next vowel, draw a bridge, bring down my consonants. I can only have 2 consonants on the bridge, so I will scoop that TR as one consonant. And here I have a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel pattern, so I'm going to divide the word between the 2 consonants. Okay, so now I'm going to look at my first syllable. I notice that I have a closed syllable here. This next one, I have a closed syllable. And lastly, I have a magic E. Now, let's see if I read that word. That would be concentrate. Concentrate. All right, for this next one, make sure you can hear me. For this next word, I'm going to underline the vowels that I see. I know this OU is a diphthong, so I'm going to underline both of those. So label those vowel, vowel, draw my bridge, bring my consonant down. Okay, so I have a vowel, consonant, vowel pattern, so I will try to divide the word between the vowel and the consonant first. All right, so my first syllable, that is going to be an open syllable, and my second syllable is a diphthong, so that would be profound, profound. Yes, so divided that correctly. Okay. Majestic. Oops, don't read the word. Scratch that. Okay, let's look at the first. I'm looking for the first 2 vowels. Label those. Draw a bridge. Bring down my consonant. Okay, so I have a vowel, consonant, vowel pattern here. So I'm going to try to divide the word between the vowel and the consonant. Now I'm going to look for I see another vowel. So let's bring that down. Draw my bridge. Bring down your 2 consonants. And here I'm going to divide this part of the word between the 2 consonants. Okay, so my first syllable, I have an open vowel. My second syllable, the consonant after vowel, so that's a closed syllable. And then lastly, I have a closed syllable. So if I read this with an open syllable, that would be majestic. No, that is not correct. So let me try. Let's divide the word, the first syllable after that consonant. Okay. So now our first syllable will be closed. Our second syllable is closed and our third syllable is closed. So that would be majestic, majestic, majestic. No, that is not correct. All right, so now let's go back. I know that the third way is going to be try the schwa. So this is neither long or short. So I'm going to try the swash sound. So that would be majestic, majestic, majestic. Yes, I believe it's with a schwa. Okay. So let's go down to the next word. I'm going to underline my first two vowels, label those, bridge those together, bring down my consonant. All right, so I have a vowel, consonant, vowel pattern here. So first I'm going to try dividing that syllable between the vowel and the consonant. Then I'm going to look, I see a bossy R here. Count that as one vowel. Okay, bring that down. Okay, bring my consonants. So I have a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel pattern. So I know to divide that between those two consonants. All right, so here I would have an open syllable in my first syllable. In my second syllable, that would be a closed syllable. And in my third syllable, I have bossy R. So that would read cylinder. No, that is not correct. So let's try dividing it between the consonant and the vowel. So that would change that to a closed syllable. Now I'm going to try it there. Okay, so that's a closed syllable, so that makes that soft sound to be cylinder. 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 Yes, so it should be divided there. Okay, lastly, my last word. First of all, I notice NESS will be a suffix. And I also notice consonant LE. So that leaves me here with a closed syllable. So I would read that as gentleness, gentleness. There. So that is the end.